Megan, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're not standing next to your cool birdhouse.
What's up, that? How do I get out of this contraption?
The parakeets like it in here. I don't know why, but it seems like
Yes.
they do.
Hey, I was upside down on a
Upside down
stick.
birdie.
I'm upside down, buddy. I'm upside down, buddy. I'm upside down, buddy. Upside down, buddy. Upside down, buddy.
What are they doing in there?
There's
Kookaburra again.
Upside down, upside down.
Caught.
Upside down.
Oh, I think he was stuck.
Upside down. Is that what they do when they are sad? No.
Yes.